Okay, we're going to be talking about personal pronouns tonight. Now, first things first, a pronoun replaces a noun. So any noun, you're going to be able to replace it with a pronoun. So Daniel's a noun in this sentence, so we can replace it with a pronoun, he. He slaughtered the zombie with the pitchfork. Zombie is also a noun, so I can replace it also with a pronoun. He slaughtered it with the pitchfork. You would also be able to replace pitchfork with a pronoun because it is also a noun. Now there are many types of nouns. We're going to first start out with personal pronouns, which represent specific person or things. And I'll show you really quickly what they are. They're split into two categories because they can either be a subject pronoun or an object pronoun. So a subject pronoun can be used as the subject or the predicate pronoun. Now what a predicate pronoun is, where we have the linking verb and then you have a predicate noun, well, you can also have a predicate pronoun after the linking verb, such as it is she. She's a pronoun. It's not a noun, so we can't call it a predicate pronoun, so we're going to call it a predicate pronoun, not a predicate noun. Your subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. These can only be used in the subject or the predicate pronoun spot. Now you also have object pronouns, and they can They can be used anywhere that an object can be used. So a direct object, an indirect object, or an object of the preposition. And these are me, you, us, him, her, it, and them. You'll notice that you is a subject and an object pronoun, and it is a subject and an object pronoun. So an example, someone pushed he or him. We know that he or him is in the direct object spot, so since it's an object pronoun, we have to choose since it's in the direct object spot, it's an object, therefore we have to choose the object pronoun, not the subject pronoun. So we would choose him. Now, you often ask me, why do we have to diagram? What good does it do? This is where diagramming comes in handy. You have to know if something's in the object or the subject spot to be able to tell which pronoun to use. So if you diagram the sentence, you can see which pronoun to use. So in this sentence, I or me like he or him. If we diagram this, we see that the I or me is in the subject spot. So I have to choose the subject pronoun, which is I. Him is in the direct object spot. So I have to choose the object pronoun, which is him. Okay, now here are some examples. Now you're probably thinking, well, the ones you just gave me, they just sounded right. Sometimes it's not about how they sound. Number 1's pretty easy, but 2 and 3 you're going to have to think about. So go ahead and pause and diagram the sentences. Okay, so in this one, like I said, this one was easy. Her is in the object of the preposition, so it's an object, so I couldn't use she because she's a subject pronoun. I needed to use her because it's the object pronoun. Now the next one, some people might want to say, I gave Tom and she the cookie. But that's not correct. You have to use her because look where it's at. It's in the indirect object spot. So I have to use an object pronoun, which is her. The last one is probably the trickiest. The man is he. I told you that subject pronouns can go in one of two places, the subject or the predicate pronoun. It sounds like it should be the man is him, but it's really the man is he. He is in the predicate pronoun spot, so I have to use a subject pronoun, not an object pronoun. Okay, go ahead and make sure you take the quiz, turn it in, have your notes ready for tomorrow.